Behind every soda fountain and draft beer tap is a carbon dioxide system. It keeps drinks perfectly carbonated, but when something goes wrong, CO2 can become a serious safety hazard. Every beverage system starts with either a carbon dioxide bulk tank or compressed gas cylinder. These tanks store gas at extremely high pressure and supply carbonation to soda fountains, beer taps, and sparkling beverages. A manifold connects multiple cylinders and regulates the gas pressure before it enters the building's beverage lines. From here, CO2 travels through tubing to soda fountains, beer towers, and other equipment. Gas lines run throughout the facility, often passing through storage areas, kitchens, and walk-in coolers before reaching beverage equipment. Because CO2 is colorless and odorless, leaks are impossible to detect without proper monitoring. Walk-in coolers are one of the most common places for CO2 accumulation. If a leak occurs, carbon dioxide can displace oxygen and settle in confined spaces. Because of these risks, many fire and safety codes require CO2 monitoring in beverage areas. These monitors detect dangerous gas levels and trigger alarms to alert staff before concentrations become hazardous. Proper placement is critical. Sensors should be installed near potential leak points like cylinder storage, manifolds, and confined spaces where gas could accumulate. Even a small leak from a regulator or loose fitting can allow CO2 to build up quickly in enclosed areas. Without monitoring, staff may not realize the danger until it's too late. A complete beverage safety system includes a gas detection sensor, remote display, audible and visual alarms, a power monitor unit, and safety signage to ensure facilities stay safe and remain aware of the current potential hazards. If you're installing or managing a beverage gas system, make sure your facility is properly protected. Learn more about CO2 safety, how to pass fire inspection, and protect your employees and patrons at CO2Meter.com.